In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage site-wide links in Dreamweaver. Starting with the basics, let's open Dreamweaver. This is your starting point for web development and design. It's where you'll be doing all the magic to make your website functional and beautiful. Once Dreamweaver is open, proceed to open your website project. This step is crucial because it ensures you are working on the correct files. You wouldn't want to edit the wrong project and risk losing valuable work. Now, navigate to the Site menu and select Manage Sites. This is where all your website configurations live. Managing your sites efficiently here will save you a lot of time in the long run. With the Manage Sites window open, select your website. Make sure you choose the correct site to avoid any unintended changes. It's important to double-check that you are working on the right project. Next, click on Edit. This will allow you to modify your site settings and make necessary changes. It's a straightforward step that opens up the possibilities to refine your site's configuration. At this point, ensure that your site folder is set correctly. This is essential because all your files and resources should be organized in this location. Proper folder setup helps avoid confusion and makes file management easier. Now, open a page where you want to add a link. This could be any page on your site, but choosing a relevant one will help maintain a logical structure. Switch to Split View. This view allows you to see both the design and code simultaneously. It's a helpful feature because it gives you a clearer picture of how your changes affect the page layout. To add a link, type in the code, open angle bracket, a space href equals quote, about.html, quote, close angle bracket, about, open angle bracket, /a, close angle bracket. This creates a hyperlink to your About page, making navigation smoother for your users. Once the link is added, save the page. This ensures that your changes are not lost and are applied to the live project. Always remember to save frequently to prevent data loss. Now, if you need to update links across your entire site, go to Edit and choose Find and Replace. This is a powerful tool that can save you hours of manual editing. It helps in maintaining consistency throughout your website. Choose Find In and select Entire Current Local Site. This option ensures that your search encompasses all files within your site folder. It's an efficient way to make site-wide updates. Search for the old link you wish to replace. Double-check the link to make sure you have the correct one. This is crucial to prevent accidental changes to the wrong link. Replace it with the new link. This step updates all instances of the old link to the new one, ensuring uniformity across your site. Finally, save all changed files. This step is critical as it confirms that all modifications are applied. Saving ensures that your site is up to date with the latest changes. And there you have it. You've learned how to add and manage links in Dreamweaver. Keep practicing these steps and you'll become more efficient over time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.